Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and I know that it's super common to want to skip breakfast because maybe you feel like you don't have time, maybe somebody told you that intermittent fasting is the way to go, so you feel like you're supposed to skip breakfast, but breakfast is actually the most important meal of the day. When we eat breakfast within the first hour of waking up in the morning, we feel energized, we feel focused. This helps keep our metabolism kick-started in the morning and keeps our metabolism going throughout the day. Eating breakfast within the first hour of waking up also helps stabilize our hormones, stabilize our blood sugar levels, and just helps us feel better overall. I know that a lot of times maybe you don't have time to eat breakfast or you feel like it takes too long or it's too expensive. So today I'm gonna share with you my favorite nourishing breakfast items that are really delicious, less than 10 minutes to put together, and that are cheap as well. First breakfast item, avocado toast. You're gonna take 2 slices of your favorite toast, maybe some sourdough or some whole grain toast, whatever you wanna use. You're gonna take an avocado and mash it with a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, any other seasoning that you want to use. Put it on the toast. You can top it with some microgreens or some arugula, something green. And if you want to add some protein onto there, you can also add on an egg, any way that you like it. And there you go. My second favorite nourishing breakfast is oatmeal. So all you have to do is get some whole grain oats. You want to cook them in a pot with either some water or your favorite milk and your favorite sweetener. So I like to use honey or maple syrup, but you can use any sweetener that you like. Sweeten it a little bit and then go ahead and top it with some hemp seeds, some fresh fruit, and some nuts or nut butter. My third favorite nourishing breakfast item is breakfast tacos. So this one is super fun. You can get creative with the toppings, but to make it super simple, you're gonna get 2 or 3 corn tortillas. You're gonna top it with some scrambled eggs, some beans of your choice, and then some guacamole to make sure you're getting in those healthy fats, some salsa, and a little bit of cilantro and onion. My fourth favorite nourishing breakfast item is a veggie scramble. So all you're gonna do is get your favorite veggies. I like to use onions, spinach, mushrooms, bell peppers, tomatoes, but you can use anything that you have in the fridge. And you're gonna put it on a pan with a little bit of avocado oil. You're gonna saute it with some salt and pepper, and then go ahead and add in 2 or 3 eggs and scramble it all together and top it with some sliced avocado for some healthy fats. And you can also serve this with a side of toast or fresh fruit or some sweet potatoes. My fifth favorite nourishing breakfast item is a smoothie. The reason that I love smoothies is because they're super easy to take on the go, so you can take them with you if you're on a rush. This is such a good way to get in all of your nutrients in one glass and super easy to take with you on the go, super easy to consume, and it's just so much fun. You can get super creative with this. What you're gonna do is take a cup of liquid, whether that's water, coconut water for extra hydration, a milk of your choice, or some orange juice. And then you're gonna take a cup of frozen fruit of your choice. I like to do mixed berries and mango. Sometimes I'll do a frozen banana. And then you can add in your healthy fats. So you can choose between a nut butter or chia seeds, hemp seeds, maybe even some fresh nuts or avocado. You're gonna choose a protein powder. I like to use vanilla flavored protein powder since it goes well with almost every smoothie, but you could do a chocolate one or peanut butter, whatever it is that you want. Just make sure that you put 1 serving of protein in there. And I also like to add in some greens since it's super hard to taste it, but you're getting in those nutrients in a super easy and yummy way. So you can use baby spinach or kale, whatever it is that you want to use. Go ahead and mix that all together. Throw in some ice if you like it extra cold and icy, and enjoy. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that now you have a bunch of nourishing breakfast ideas to start your day with. And if you're wanting even more ideas for how to incorporate all of these foods into your breakfast, then feel free to check out my website at thefulllifebyrachel.com. Thank you guys. I'll see you soon.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.